Following the discovery of several components from the Italian die-casting machinery manufacturer IDRA Group at Tesla's Gigafactory Austin in recent months, it appears that technicians have finally begun assembling the 9,000-ton Giga Press that will be used to produce Cybertruck structural components. A drone flyover video clearly shows Tesla presently installing the world's largest aluminum die-casting machine, the Giga Press. The massive press can be seen partially erected in a section of Tesla's plant where the Cybertruck body will be built. Welcome to First Class Tech, and in this video, we will see everything you need to know about the Tesla Cybertruck's 9,000-ton Giga Press assembly ramp-up in Giga Texas. The manufacturing of the Cybertruck has been postponed multiple times in recent years, but it appears Tesla is on schedule to begin production in early 2023. As Elon Musk stated last year. The Tesla Cybertruck, which was presented in late 2019, was supposed to go into production a year later, in late 2020. Unexpected events, such as the COVID-19 outbreak and accompanying supply chain interruptions, stopped Tesla from starting manufacture of its first all-electric pickup truck. After several years of delays, Tesla has finally begun the process of manufacturing Cybertrucks. Videos and images from Gigafactory, Texas have revealed that sections of IDRA's 9,000-ton Giga Press for the Tesla Cybertruck have already arrived at the plant. Recent photographs of the site show that the 9,000-ton press is being assembled. Joe Ted Mayer, a drone operator, recently posted these stills from a flyover he performed on January the 18th. The interior of Giga Texas, notably the location where the 9,000-ton Giga Press was being constructed, was one of the most remarkable pictures from the flyover. As visible in the photograph, the machine setup is proceeding, with a large majority of its components already in place. On social media, Tesla and electric vehicle fans noted that the development of the 9,000-ton Giga Press construction is pretty astounding, especially given the machine's entire size. Tesla is one of the most well-known automakers that uses Giga Press machines for vehicle production. The Tesla Model Y's front and rear underbody castings are currently formed on 6,000-ton Giga Presses. Because the Cybertruck is a significantly larger vehicle, Elon Musk has previously stated that the all-electric pickup will almost certainly require an 8,000-ton Giga Press. IDRA, which provides Tesla's Giga Press equipment, appeared to have gone even further with the 9,000-ton Giga Press. Musk is enthusiastic about the machine, declaring in a video of the 9,000-ton Giga Press in work last year that it would be utilized for the Cybertruck body. IDRA deserves a lot of credit for developing Tesla's Giga Presses. During last year's Cyber Rodeo, Elon Musk made a covert nod to IDRA and its parent company, LK Technology, for being the only ones prepared to take a bet on producing the equipment Tesla required. It's a revolution in automobile manufacturing to construct your car out of three primary parts: a cast back, a structural pack, and a cast front. So you are staring at the largest casting machinery ever built. Making an automobile in this manner is a bit insane. It has never been attempted before. There were 6 big casting factories in the world when we were trying to figure this out. We dialed 6. 5 people responded no. 1 said maybe. That sounds like a yes, I said. So with a lot of effort and fantastic ideas from the team, we have made the world's largest casting machine run very efficiently to produce and drastically simplify automobile manufacture, Musk explained. To say Tesla's Gigafactory, Texas is a bustling place these days is an understatement. According to current photographs and footage, Tesla's Austin factory is still bustling with activity, from construction to vehicle manufacturing to the installation of Giga Press machines. Several simple yet fascinating photographs greeted the electric vehicle community last month. According to aerial pictures of the facility, certain pieces of the Cybertruck's 9,000-ton Giga Press from IDRA have already been transported to the plant. Recent pictures from the site indicate that Giga Press parts deliveries have not ceased. A large quantity of Giga Press parts from IDRA could be observed being transported to the facility, as noted by the drone operator. The containers used to transport the parts appear to be exceptionally large. The IDRA Giga Press parts are especially fascinating since they will very certainly be utilized for the Cybertruck's Giga Press, which will build the all-electric pickup truck's rear underbody. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Now coming back to the topic. Musk previously stated that the Cybertruck would have a single-piece rear megacast, comparable to the Model Y. However, because it is significantly larger than the Model Y, it requires a larger machine than the all-electric crossover's massive 6,000-ton Giga Press. Aside from that, the drone operators saw that the rate of Giga Texas Model Y production appeared to be picking up. A stream of all-electric crossovers can be seen in images taken throughout the plant, indicating that the Tesla Model Y ramp at Giga Texas is well underway. This comes as little surprise, since Tesla is producing Model Ys with both 2170 and 4680 batteries in Giga Texas. The past year has been difficult for Tesla. Vehicle deliveries fell short of forecasts despite the company's efforts to close 2022 on a high note. The Twitter habits of Elon Musk have also made him more divisive than ever. Tesla's shares also plummeted over the year, concluding 2022 with a 65% loss. However, Tesla may fare better in 2023. The business has planned an Investor Day in March, which will be an event announcing some of Tesla's future objectives and initiatives. According to Tesla inventor and the Future Fund managing partner Gary Black, in remarks to The Street, this year could be a memorable one for Tesla because of the Cybertruck. Black predicts Tesla will begin Cybertruck deliveries in late 2023. In terms of the all-electric pickup truck, Black predicts that Tesla might deliver 10,000 units this year. According to the Wall Street Journal, these figures might help Tesla reach 1.9 million vehicle deliveries by 2023. While Black's projections may appear overly optimistic, preparations for the Cybertruck's manufacture have been proceeding for some time in Gigafactory, Texas. The Cybertruck's progress was hinted at Tesla's Q3 2022 update letter, which stated that the vehicle is already at the tooling phase. Elon Musk stated during the subsequent earnings call that Tesla was on the final lap for the Cybertruck. Aside from the Cybertruck, Black stated that Tesla's leadership should begin shifting from excessively lofty aspirations to more hopeful but more achievable ones. Tesla stated in 2022 that it aimed for roughly 50% growth, but the business concluded the year with 40% growth. A 40% increase in last year's environment would have been extraordinarily amazing, except that the company's estimate was significantly higher. As Black put it, he would want to see the board respond to what's happened to the stock. He also remarked that the Tesla board should come up with more realistic growth rates, such as 35% rather than 50%. Tesla initially planned to sell the Cybertruck in single, dual, and tri-motor models for $39,990, $49,990, and $69,990 respectively. These costs are obviously out of date, since supply chain restrictions, inflation, and other reasons will force Tesla to alter. But it goes even beyond. Despite Tesla's recent car price cuts, the Cybertruck's pricing has yet to be published, as has its manufacturing schedule, which would dictate which trims are built when. As we get closer to the actual production, maybe more specifics will become clear. The Giga Press assembly ramps at Giga Texas are a key component of Tesla's plans to build a sustainable and efficient manufacturing process for the Cybertruck. Not only will they allow the company to produce the vehicle at a faster pace, but they will also reduce waste and emissions during the production process. This aligns with Tesla's overall goal of creating a cleaner and more sustainable future for transportation. In conclusion, the use of 9,000-ton Giga Press assembly ramps at Giga Texas is a game changer for the Cybertruck production process. It will enable Tesla to produce the electric pickup truck on a massive scale while also reducing costs and emissions. The Cybertruck is an exciting new addition to the EV market, and the Giga Press assembly ramps are an integral part of making it a reality. And with that being said, it is time to end our video. Before that, we would like to know, what are your views about the upcoming Cybertruck? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this one. We will see you in the next video.